Hello and welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to see how to dynamically extract some information, some rows and or columns from our dataset in Excel in a dynamic way. To do it, we are going to use the take and the drop function. So for example, here I have already opened my dataset, and let's suppose that for example here we want to extract just the first row in a dynamic way. How can we do it? We can just use the take function, so we type equal or plus take, then we open the parentheses, we indicate our array, so in this case we select all our dataset, we block it with F4, and then we indicate the rows and the columns we want to extract. So in this case, for example, if we want just the first row, we just type a 1 and we close the parentheses. And as you can see, I'm extracting in a dynamic way just the first row. If I want, for example, the first row and just the first two columns, I just type a 2 after the 1 and I press enter. As you can see, I'm getting the first row and just the first two columns in this way. What if I want to use another function? Potentially we can also use the drop function that is functioning in the same way. The only difference is that the reasoning, I would say, is the opposite, because with the drop function we tell Excel which column we don't want to extract. So to give you an example, if I use the drop function, I type drop, I select again my array in this way, F1, F4, and I block it. Now if I type a 1 here, I'm saying to Excel that I want to extract in a dynamic way all the rows except for row number 1. So if for example I close the parentheses and I type enter, as you can see in this case with the drop function I'm extracting all my data except for row number 1. So in fact I don't have the labels in my extraction. So I hope this video was useful, and in case let me know if you have any comments or questions. Thank you very much.